An inquiry into the controversial closure of a youth mental health unit in Brisbane has heard poor planning left patients with little support after the doors closed. Evidence on the first day of public hearings has left parents seeking answers.
The Barrett Centre was shut down under the Newman Government in early 2014. Within 8 months, 3 teenagers had died. Today, the Commission heard there was a plan to relocate the centre in 2012, but it was scrapped by Queensland Health because it was over budget and the funds were needed elsewhere. A year later, senior health officials raised fears about the centre's closure. The board recognised that the Barrett facility is
no longer suitable, but is concerned that there is currently no alternative for consumers.
Counsel Assisting Paul Freeburn QC told the court the reviewed documents didn't seem to include a reference to a detailed analysis. And he said one might think in a situation where a service was to be discontinued, there might be some need for analysis. He said the decisions in this case seem to be based on shorthand expressions like contemporary models of care. But the closure went ahead 8 months later. Assistant Counsel Assisting Kathy Muir QC told the court the closure was unprecedented and evidence from staff revealed an environment of confusion, anxiety and concern leading up to the closure. She noted their overriding concern was not for their own future, but a concern for the well-being of the young people for whom they cared. Mental Health Commissioner Leslie Van Schubrek said she'd accepted verbal assurances by Queensland Health that there was a well-resourced plan for each patient. But the inquiry heard that didn't happen and responsibility for care fell back to families. Parents say they want answers.
Some change, some realisation that there were things that happened that shouldn't have happened and a better outcome for young people with severe chronic and complex mental illness, perhaps a better understanding of their needs as well.
The public hearings are set down for 4 weeks. Kathy McLeish, ABC News.
And anyone needing assistance can contact Lifeline.